Hi everyone, you're on a 5-minute AI channel where we're building products in 5 minutes, usually. So today we're gonna talk about Resume AI Analyzer. This tool is based on the real client request, and I've already built it for my client. And it helps to HR agencies and HR managers quickly parse and analyze resume against job description. So at the end, we will have this result like match score, summary, pros, cons. Um, yeah, and also you will be able to add more features and parse resume, for example, and have this result too. Um, let's start. So we have an NA10 scenario. It's quite simple. We have only one API call to OpenAI, and also we need to download the file with resume. So we set the variables. First of all, you need to file URL link. It's a direct link to your file. It's in our case it's PDF. It also could be doc or other type of file. We also have job description, a short job description where we provide company description and some requirements. Yeah, just common description, maybe skills, tools. Then we have a prompt for OpenAI where we just describe what we need to have in the output. It's 4 things. It's percentage of matching, sort of matching score, short summary about how this candidate fits to this job, and summary about pros and cons. So, and also we have a JSON schema. You can copy this schema from my guide that will be in this video description, or you can generate your own schema with GPT, or even if you open OpenAI platform assistance tab, they have JSON schema generator feature that can help you to generate right schema because it has some specific things. So we have everything, and now we just need to download file. It's simple HTTP request with get method using file URL. Then we gonna extract data from this PDF. Also, if you have, for example, text file, it could be doc file, you just need to switch it to this type. Or also, if you want to build something dynamic and sort of smart, you can build this logic where you have a switch here, and then you, depends on the file that was uploaded, you use extension to route the scenario and use PDF or TXT extract nodes, and then you just merge it and use further in the scenario. So after that we have an OpenAI call. It's simple post completions request, and the reason why I use it because you can specify response format here, and I need JSON schema because it's the only stable option to have the same results every time. Yeah, and yeah, you need to specify model. Also, you can find this request in the guide. Here we specify a role like system. It's our prompt, user, it's our text. Also, like this is a parsed text from PDF. Also, this is a small detail that we use encode URL component function, because when you parse some documents, you can have some invisible symbols or some stuff that can break this JSON string. So you need to be sure that it's safe for this JSON. So we use this function, and then we stringify the result. And then we specify a JSON schema here. Yeah, and that's all. OpenAI will return our result, and then we will be able to parse it with JSON parse and use it further to save somewhere in the database or send it to Slack, or I don't know. Depends on your business process. Let's get tested. Yeah, we downloaded file. I can show it to you. It's a sample of CV I generated with OpenAI. Yeah, some data about projects, professional experience, technical skills. Then we trying to extract data. You see it's quite clean extraction. Usually when you have complex PDF with different tables, images, you will have many messy stuff, but OpenAI works well with all this data. And as a next step, we just send all this to OpenAI, and it returns content summary. You see this is a string, and to be able to use it further, we just parse it, and then yeah, we have a percentage, we have a short summary, we have an array of reasons why this candidate suits or not. And that's all. After that, I just save it to the database and use it on the interface to display it here. Yeah. And my clients use it to filter all candidates that have mesh score less than 70, for example, and also he fine-tune this prompt, and you can specify some weights for language, location, and other stuff that are more important for your business and your HR process, for example. And also you can add another additional steps there, so you will be able to again send the request to OpenAI with JSON schema where you specify, for example, work experience, array with all this data and technologies, where you'll be able to specify like skills and main data. Everything was parsed from resume and saved to the database again. Yeah. Also, you can try this tool here on my website. Yeah, and you can find other useful tool for your business. That's all. It's quite simple. We did it for around 5 minutes. Yeah, just subscribe on the channel and like this video. Check out my other videos. I have more guides about AI and AI agents built on NA10. And have a good day. Bye.